Konnichiwa. Today you'll be able to order food and drinks at your local Japanese takeaway shop. You learned how to order takeaway, learning tip and culture tips about politeness level. Are you ready? This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. Okay, let's order now. Imagine you want ocha green tea at kiosk. いらっしゃいませ. How should you respond? Yes. Smile and bow. Good memory. どうぞ. どうぞ is used when you serve something. In this case, I'm serving for you. What would you say? お願いします from lesson 1 can be too much in this situation. And it's more natural to say お茶ください. ください means please give me. Repeat after me. お茶ください. お茶ください. Good! Okay, when you receive the bottle of tea, what do you say? のごちそうさまでした. In this case, say どうも. Casual thanks. And don't forget to bow. You know why from lesson 1. Okay, now let's practice. Imagine you've come to the local Japanese festival and you want to buy choco banana. いらっしゃいませ. どうぞ. You say? Yes. チョコバナナください. And then? Good. どうも. Now you are at the local Japanese cafe and want matcha latte. いらっしゃいませ. どうぞ. Go ahead. Good. 抹茶ラテください. They might ask you, 店内でお召し上がりですか? 店内で in the shop. お召し上がり eating. です is か question. So, will you eat in? If you eat in, say はい yes. Repeat after me. はいはい. If you're going to take away, say take out で take out, take away で buy for take away. Repeat after me. take out で take out で And you say, yes, どうも. Now I'll share my learning tip for you. Learning Japanese is quite different from learning Spanish or French. Just knowledge doesn't help if you want to speak well. It's more like learning tennis and football. What should you do then? Yes, lots of practice. Practice is essential to become a confident speaker. So, watch this video until you feel comfortable and then speak a lot on the practice video in many situations. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. The last section. Let's learn culture points. So how do you leave a self-service style cafe? Please clear the table and return the tray. And it's nice to say ごちそうさまでした. Okay, let's compare お願いします and ください here. お願いします is Yes, I request. Like X please. What was the situation in lesson 1? Yes, you ordered at your table and the staff have to bring food and the bill for you. So you want to request these actions with more polite attitude. What about ください? It means please give me. Like X please or I'll take X in natural English. So are you ordering at the table now? No. at the till. The staff stays in the same spot for serving, so it's less workload for them. Therefore, kudasai is less polite than onegaishimasu, but it's still polite, of course. You can still use kudasai at your table, but remember it's less polite. Now let's check ごちそうさまでした and どうも. ごちそうさまでした means, yes, it was a feast. Thank you for the meal. So people say this always after eating or drinking. どうも is a part of thank you very much, like thanks or cheers. Therefore, this is used when you expect to receive the service. All clear? Okay, today's summary, まとめ. Tell me the expression what you learned on the lesson. Yes, X ください. はい。Take out で. And culture tips? Yes. ください is for ordering at the till or cashier, and お願いします is used at the table. ごちそうさまでした is thank you for after the meal, and どうも is thanks for something expected. And clear the table at the self-service cafe. Fantastic! That's all for today. In the next lesson, you'll be able to shop by pointing items. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.